Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this question, we are being asked to solve the simultaneous equations 2x minus y equals to 3 and x squared minus xy equals to negative 4. So we are basically being asked to find the values of x and y. So let's take the first equation. The first equation is 2x minus y is equals to 3. Let's take the y to this right side and then bring the 3 to this left side. So on the left side, we now have 2x. When the 3 comes to this side, it becomes negative. So 2x minus 3 equals 2. When the y goes to the other side, it becomes positive. So we've basically now expressed y in terms of x. So y equals to 2x minus 3. Now let's go to this second equation and we are going to say x squared minus x, and then now we replace y with its newfound value, which is 2x minus 3. This is equals to negative 4. And then let's expand this. So this becomes x squared minus 2x squared, and then negative x times negative 3, that becomes plus 3x. This is equals to negative 4. So x squared minus 2x squared, that becomes negative x squared plus 3x. And then let's bring this negative 4 to this side. So when it comes to this left side, it becomes plus 4. And then all of this is equals to 0. So now we have this quadratic equation and we need to solve it. The simplest way to solve this quadratic equation is to rewrite this center term. To rewrite this center term, we have to look for two factors which when multiplied will give us negative 4x squared, and when added give us this center term. So those factors in this case are going to be, that's 4x by x, and the negative is on there. So it's 4x and negative x. So the center term can be rewritten as 4x minus x. And then of course we have the plus 4 on this side. On this other side we have negative x squared, and this is all equals to 0. Now, let's take these terms in pairs. So that's the first pair, and this is the second pair. So on the first pair, the common factor is x. Let's factor that out. So we are going to factor out x, and here we are left with negative x, then plus 4. On this second one, we do not have like any common factor. So it's basically just like the common factor is plus 1, and then this is just going to remain to being x, negative x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. Now at this point you notice that here we have negative x plus 4, and on this other side negative x plus 4. So let's factor that out. So this becomes negative x plus 4, and then here we are left with x. On this other side, we are left with 1, and this is equals to 0. So now, when the two terms are, when the multiplication of the two terms is 0, it means either of them can be 0. So we say negative x plus 4 is equals to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. On this side, let's take the x to the other side, and it's basically saying 4 is equals to x. So we know that x is equals to 4. Or here, let's take the 1 to the other side. So x is equals to negative 1. So those are the values of x. But then we also have to find the values of y. Remember, we said that y is equals to 2x minus 3. So y is equals to 2x minus 3. So when x is 4, then y becomes 2 times x, 4 minus 3, which is equals to 8 minus 3, meaning y is 5, right? So when x is 4, y is 5. And then when x is -1, or y is equals to 2 times x, -1 minus 3. So this is -2 minus 3, which is equals to -5. So when x is 1, when x is 4, so either x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5, or x is equals to -1 and y is equals to -5. So those are the solutions to the question.